now I'm on the charts. Let's try to look out for trading opportunity. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah. For the benefits of those that well, okay, that would like to learn the strategy I'm using, I'm going to make it to be simple. Exactly what I'm looking out for on the chart so that you can also replicate the same thing. Okay. Before 8 a.m. in the morning, which is Tokyo session, I usually look out for a particular setup, which I believe that during London session should be activated and should give us a good profit. So the setup is this. I look out for a buy. I look out for a break of structure, a break of structure, taking out that high, then a pullback and that break of structure. Then I expect price to reach the low of the second break of structure and give us another break of structure, making three break of structure with liquidity gap. This must happen before 8 a.m. Once I have something of this type before 8 a.m. in the morning, then by 8 a.m. I expect during 8 from 8 a.m. to 3:30 or 4 p.m. I expect price to come back and buy again. Usually my target is 3 hours. Like I try to make times three of the money I put into the trade. What I'm basically looking at is I want this to happen, a break of structure, one, then I want to have this break of structure, making two break of structure, then I want to see that price come back and grab liquidity. Some people will be looking for opportunity to buy from that low, but price could have taken them out. That is a kind of manipulation. And some people will also consider that since price has taken out that low, is a break of structure, like they can actually sell. They will also be taken out as well, making two players, two traders to lose. Then I expect another break of structure. Okay. After having that, I expect price to come back into the order block or demand zone or FUG or whatever and continue the bullish momentum. And this must happen before 8 a.m. All this must happen before 8 a.m. That's why I'm on the charts this time, looking out for opportunity before 8 a.m. So now let's take a look at this. Maybe we have a trading opportunity we can actually leverage on. So looking at this, I'm going to use my part 2. Let me zoom it out so that we can all see what we have there. And it will be clearer if we actually have the setup present. in the market. Let me take it from here. We have this I price came down, then to this, there is a pullback a bit, then up here, and we have this, then this, then we have this, we have this, this, then looking at this, there's no setup here. Price did not give us what we are actually looking for. As a result of that, I'm not going to take a trade on this pair. This is odd USD. So no trading opportunity present on odd USD. So let's go to another currency pair to see if there is a trading opportunity there. Okay, this is Euro USD. Euro USD. So for Euro USD, let's see what we have there. Maybe, although looking at this, I know there's no setup here. Using pathway to draw the structures out is because I want people watching this to learn. If not for that, once I open the chart, if there is a setup or not, I can easily see it. I've trained my eyes to see what is there, but I want people that are watching this to learn. Just because the goal of this is not for me alone to improve. I want other people as well to learn one or two things and also achieve profitability. That's the essence of doing all this. Opening the chart alone, I can see if there is a setup present or not. Okay, let's consider this minor structure. Okay, as you can see, no setup as well. No setup, no setup. So let me go to another currency pair to see there is going to be a trading opportunity. NSD USD. Okay, this is NSD USD. So let's take a look at this as well. Okay, let me start from me. Then we have this. Then we have this. Yeah, we have this. Then markets didn't take out this high before dropping. Market did not take out that high before dropping. Yeah, let me just give a comment on this. We have this taking out this high. Okay, it took out this high. Then we have this as well, taking out this high. Making how many? That's the second break of structure we are looking out for. So the low was taken out as well as a liquidity grab. After taking out the low, we need to consider if there is a mitigation like from this candle, there is an FUG. The FUG was filled completely. Then price came back into this last candle. Okay, second to the last candle, which means that there is a complete mitigation between the two. The FEG has been mitigated. So the next thing we expect is that after taking out the liquidity, then mitigating this demand zone, we expect price to take out this high, confirming that okay price is ready to continue the bullish momentum. However, that did not happen. That shows that we don't have a trading opportunity on this pair. And another thing to also notice is we only have one candle mitigation. Like it is this pin bar hammer. It mitigates the demand zone, then went up. We expect it to break the high and give us a kind of entry. If I am to pick the entry now, it's going to be something like this from the body to the wick. However, I don't like this kind of entry. I prefer when I have like multiple candles, like how should I put it? Just like something of this. The first one we have here, uh, the first one, and something of this yeah, this other block too. These are the kind of entry I like instead of having this long candle. On this pair too, there is no trading opportunity. So let's check the last pair we have. This is GBP USD. Do we have a trading opportunity on GBP USD? Let's see if we do. Okay. From here, okay, let me bring it from this eye. From here, we have this, then we have this eye here, then we have this low, then this eye, and we have from here, you have this little or minor going up, coming down, something like that, as you can see. To this place, yeah, but this did not take out the previous structure. The price went up to take out that high and break the structure. So there is tendency for price to do something of this type, come back, sell. But this is not what I'm really looking out for. Okay, let's see. This is the last low we have. And this is where it was actually broken. That is where we have a break of structure. And we are looking for three break of structure. Three break of structure. We expect something like this to happen. We expect this to take out this low. Okay, we expect this to take out this low to give us one. Then we have our two following. Then we have this to happen, like grab this liquidity, grab this liquidity, before having this third break of structure. So this does not actually meet my trading criteria. I'm not going to take this trade as well because it's not exactly what I'm looking out for. And this is one of those things you need to understand, that market will not always give you perfect setup at times. It will give you something. It's not late for you to, based on your based on backtesting, to know whether you have to take it or not. For me to actually take this kind of trade, this is something I would have expected, like following market narrative. I say we have something like this. Market did not break this structure. We have this low. Then market was doing something of this type. Just exactly what is on the chart right now. Okay, went up a bit. Instead of breaking this low, did not break it before going up and break this, come down. So what I would have expected is price to have an inducement like if a high close to my entry. The high can either break the structure or not break the structure. Then during London session, I expect price to go up and pound sell. Like what I expect price to do is come back and take out this high as a liquidity before mitigating the other block. If I have something of this narrative, I would have said, okay, I'm going to take the trade. But as it is right now, I'm not going to take the trade because it doesn't follow the logic of what I said. I expect some people, like, it is a kind of manipulation for me because when we have first break of structure and we have second break of structure, some people believe that when you have two break of structure, that okay, it is a confirmation that price is going to follow that order flow. So they are going to take the trade from the second break of structure. But what happened based on the logic is market take those people out. And once that happened, some people will be like, oh, since the second break of structure has been invalidated, that okay, there is a change in the market order flow or there is a change in market structure. Meanwhile, when they also try to follow that narrative as well, they also lose. So it is a kind of manipulation, market taking out liquidity. So once that happen, I know that high is a protected low high or that low is a protected low. So when markets open during London session, I know that it's going to follow that flow and structure. So that's the logic behind the setup, not just a pattern, not just a sharp pattern. I'm not just doing a sharp pattern. I follow price narrative, like there's a logic behind it that okay, price has grabbed a liquidity and manipulates the traders as if it has changed the direction it's going to follow. Meanwhile, the intention is to follow the other way round. So that's just the thing. For now, too, there's no setup for me today. It means I won't be taking a trade today. Everything till tomorrow that I'm going any day that I'm going to have a clear market structure that aligns with what I think. I hope you learn one or two things from this video. Till then, we meet tomorrow. Have a wonderful day and a profitable week.